Have you just moved to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and are looking for something to do on the weekend or during the week? I've decided to highlight the 5 top picnic areas in Edmonton. We have this amazing river valley right out our back door. So my number 1 is Hawrelak Park. Hawrelak Park encompasses so many things. There's a lake, there is ice skating, there's a restaurant, and there is amazing dog walking here. But it has these great picnic spots where you can have a campfire and you can have tons of people to enjoy the outdoors with. Number 2, one of my favorites, Hermitage Park. Located in the northeast of Edmonton, this place even has fishing. You can fish with your children, you can have boat rides. It is a great spot just to meander around. It's got tons of trails and a lot of open areas to enjoy. Number 3, Gold Bar. Gold Bar is a great place to go, and it's got a little bit more trees, a lot more privacy. It's a great place to host a private event, a birthday party. And the great thing about all of these picnic areas is that they are open all year round. So if you're wanting to enjoy the autumn leaves like we are today, or winter, summer, spring, any time of year, you can come enjoy these facilities. Number 4, and one of everybody's favorite, is Kingsman Park. Kingsman Park is located right in the river valley and close to the downtown. Kingsman has open trails, walking trails, hiking trails. It has a ton of picnic areas, but it also has some open fields if you want to engage in a soccer game, a football game, or just hang out sun tanning. And Kingsman during the summer also has a outdoor swimming pool, which is lovely. And of course, I would say number 5, Rundle. Rundle Park is near the river valley, so you can access beautiful hiking trails, walking trails. All of these parks are amazing. The City of Edmonton does a great job of keeping them clean, making sure that they are fully serviced. They all have bathroom facilities, they all have parking spots nearby, and they allow you to enjoy the outdoors. Because living in Edmonton, if you're new to the City of Edmonton, you will know that we are an outdoor city. People like to bike, they like to hike, they like to be outdoors as much as they possibly can. If you are thinking about moving to Edmonton, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as this is part of my series on moving to Edmonton. Click on the link below where you can get the 13 tips on moving to Edmonton, the pros and the cons. Click on my link below to get your free, no obligation tip sheet on the top 13 pros and cons of living in Edmonton. My name is Karen Stanko, and I am a RE/MAX real estate agent. I've been a RE/MAX agent for 17 years. And if you are thinking about making a move, I would love to be your real estate source of information. Thank you.